Good evening, everybody. It's my 28th day. It's 1:34 in the morning. So I just decided, I'll just write down what I have to say. I'm doing this simply because I would like to congratulate and honor the number one life insurance agent in the largest agency in the Philippines. That happens to be my wife, Imelda Villarreal. Just a quick story. About 12 years ago, should you have known Mel, it would be very difficult to fathom the fact that she would be honored with such a prestigious recognition. You see, Mel was simply content to be the wind beneath my wings, the housewife who will take care of our children, the housewife who would simply decorate the house, sew clothes, design clothes, set up her own business inside our house. She was simply meant to be content, to be the wind beneath my wings, my inspiration and partner in raising our family. Well, 12 years after, because of her sheer innate goodness and a very strong belief that the services that we offer is very important and valuable to the people that she talks to. Let me repeat for emphasis yung strong belief niya that we are not being a burden but rather being of help to our clients. Simply was so strong that she was able to overcome her shyness, her weakness, her difficulties. Eventually, in a very difficult year, she was able to deliver and deliver very, very well. You know her traits. She's simple, she's sweet, very non-assuming, perhaps not that assertive as one would expect from a life insurance agent. You may ask, how come a housewife would spend 10 years of her married life in a house, be able to cope with the challenges of our career? Again, just to tell you, just to put some emphasis on innate goodness and a strong belief that the service that we offer is going to be very, very important and valuable to the clients. She serves so well. She serves so well. So Mel, together with our children, in front of our colleagues, let me tell you how proud we are of you, how proud we are of your accomplishment, and likewise are so excited and so filled with great anticipation with the things that you're about to accomplish, especially now that you have renewed confidence in your capacity for greatness, born out of your goodness. We are so proud of you, and I love